I have these two folders here. Let's see how we can use different Python version in each of this project. So this can be a project that uses Python 3.10. Right now, as you can see, this is empty. And you'll have another folder in which you want to use Python 3.13. Again, this is also empty. So let's see how we can use different Python versions for different projects. So the first thing you need to do is to download and install the Python version that you want to use. Okay, so go to python.org and hover over downloads and click on Windows. Here you'll see a list of Python versions that you can download. So let's say you already have Python 3.13 installed and you want to download and install Python 3.10 and use that for a project. Scroll down till you reach Python 3.10. Here you can just click on Windows installer and just open the installer and install the Python version that you want. If you want to see a step-by-step on how to download and install a Python version, check the link in the description below. Alright, once you have installed two Python versions, let's see how we can switch and use Python version according to different projects. Now, go to your project where you want to use Python 3.10 or any other Python version for that matter. Here, click on address bar and type cmd, hit enter, and command prompt will open inside this directory. Okay. And now if I do Python --version, as you can see, I already get Python 3.10. So let's do this. Let's close this. Let's go inside Python 3.13. Open command prompt in this directory. Okay. And let's try to use Python 3.13 in this directory. Right now, the default Python version is 3.10, right? So to use Python 3.13 for this project, what we'll do is we'll create a virtual environment, which is actually a standard practice for creating Python projects and installing packages. So what you can do is enter py-3.13. This tells Windows to use Python 3.13, and then -m venv to create your virtual environment, and then give any name to your virtual environment. Let's call it venv13. Now this is not a good practice to have 13 in the name. A standard practice is to just use the name venv itself like this. But for this tutorial's sake, I'll add 13 so that you understand better. Now hit enter and this virtual environment will be created. Once the virtual environment is created, you just need to activate this virtual environment. The command is venv13, that is your virtual environment name, /scripts, and then activate. Hit enter. And now if I check Python version, as you can see, I'm on Python 3.13.7. Now I can install Python packages like this, okay, and I can run any file using Python here, and Python 3.13 will be used. And once you activate this virtual environment, all the libraries and packages you install will be installed in this virtual environment, that is venv13, which is actually a standard way to install and run Python projects. Now, similarly, if you want to create a virtual environment in your other project where you want to use Python 3.10, what you can do is just open terminal in that directory where you want a new virtual environment. Again, do py-3.10 or whichever Python version you had downloaded and installed. Then type -m venv and give your virtual environment name. Hit enter and this virtual environment will be created. Now, if you want to use another Python version, just deactivate the existing virtual environment and then activate the virtual environment which has your Python version that is required. And now, as you can see by the name itself, venv10 is activated and this contains Python 3.10. Now you can install packages in this virtual environment, run projects using this Python version, and so on. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.